Yeah, here's the first test. I'm a dryer. Dryer here. I make coming in from the compressor over here. Coming in here. It have on the bottom we have a valve. And going all the way up there. And coming back down here to this outlet here. Going back to my next water trap. The with regulator, and from there I using my tools and thing, my tools, spray gun, whatever, painting cars. So. Yes. Well, I'm gonna try this valve here and see what's going on. Let's see more water it have in it. Alright, get some there. Making up nearly. So this one look like you're collecting everything. Working real good, man. Working better than these small ones I have here. But this is the only pressure. I had a next one by going through. I went on YouTube and make this one, make up this. See, it's going up all the way there. Coming back down here. In, out there, back to here. To my DA, skid, spray gun, priming, painting, everything. Been working good, man. Looking good. Nice to bad. All my problems solved there.